Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though we discussed about many weapons, missiles, and aircrafts which were showcased during Aero India 2021 in my channel, in this video we would be discussing more vital information about the unique vertical launched short range surface to air missile from DRDO. During Aero India 2021, a scale model of this particular missile has been showcased by DRDO, which shows the physical appearance of the missile and which is very much based on the existing Astra Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile. Based on the model showcased, it is evident that it has a different fuselage, fins, and wings. Even though there are two variants of this missile, one for Indian Air Force and one for Indian Navy, we will just be discussing the variant of Indian Navy in this video. The main intention of coming up with this missile by DRDO was to help Indian Navy to replace the Barak 1 Israeli shipborne point defense missiles. Indian Navy will get the canister-based missiles for its frontline warships, and it is said that each vertical launch unit will house 8 missiles to engage the incoming supersonic projectiles. These vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile will provide all-weather, night and day, and 360-degree area air defense for Indian Navy's next-generation warships. These missiles will help Indian Navy to defend their warships against various targets like sea-skimming anti-ship missiles, helicopters, fighter jets, and attack sea drones. As per the defense source, the design specifications of the vertical launching system confirm that the vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile will be getting a foldable wings and fins when it is under storage inside the vertical launch units. Another highlight is that these missiles will get an integrated thrust vector control inside its fuselage. It is said that these missiles will have 25 km plus range, and it comes with an active radar seeker. The active radar seekers have gained wide applications in the terminal phase of missile guidance to provide hit-to-kill capabilities. The vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile variant of Indian Navy will be integrated with the main and secondary radar system of the warship for tracking and detection. The canisters are designed to launch missiles in hot mode, that is, ignition within the canister itself. The vertical launch unit is designed to launch the surface-to-air missile in quick succession in case there's multiple incoming projectiles. So that was a quick update on DRDO's vertical launched short-range surface-to-air missile, which has been showcased during the Aero India 2021 Defense Exhibition. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.